Hello binary option traders, welcome once again to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to trade with support and resistance levels on a key option platform. So I'll do 2 minutes. I'll do a call option. So as much as the market is in a downtrend, the major trend is a downtrend. From that point we were in an uptrend, so we broke this higher low areas. So we are now in a downtrend as a major trend, but the minor trend is an uptrend. As you can see, we are making higher highs and higher lows. So you always need to consider your trend before you take any trade, especially in OTC market. So that's our channel to trade with. So let's check on this other pair. So very strong downtrend. Very strong downtrend. Again, I'll do 2 minutes expiry period. You can observe very strong downtrend. We've already broken this level. Of support and resistance. So we don't expect any other movement apart from the downward movement. Let's check on this pair, another strong downtrend. So it's good to trade with the trend, but because it's not a good market, I'm doing 2 minutes. I have a minor level of support and resistance here. So from this level you can see got a rejection, a rejection, a rejection. Again you are getting a rejection from the same area. Then when you check on the left, got a rejection. So that's why I'm doing 2 minutes expiry period. So despite this rejection, we'll go more down. You can see we've broken below the area. The market is moving more down. So let's wait for this candle to close. Then strong bias movement. So let me explain. Here I took a call option because, as I've told you, the market is in an uptrend. We're forming higher highs and higher lows. So I expected the market to continue moving more up. So when I saw this opportunity of a strong bullish candle, I took that opportunity and do a call option. So again, I'll do a call option with 2 minutes expiry period. Because of this rejection, you can see the rejection in this candle. This is a very strong rejection, closing above the previous closing price. So this shows you that the market wants to move more up. And for any possible reversal, we expect it on this upper trend line. So always understand your trend, as I've told you. Despite checking on the major trend, always analyze your minor trend. So we lost this trade because I expected the market to move more down. And as I've seen, we have a very strong downtrend. We broke a level of support and resistance. But instead we got a reversal from this support and resistance level. So it seems it's a strong support and resistance level. That's why the market is reacting on it that much, despite us breaking it. So we lost that trade. So here I think I've explained this trade. This other trade, I did a call option, a put option, because this is a strong downward movement, very strong downward movement. We broke our area of support and resistance. This is the level of support and resistance that we expected the market to reverse from. So when we broke this area, I understood that the market will move more down. But I did a 2 minutes expiry period because the market is not also good. You can see very weak candles. So just to be on the safe side, despite it being a downward trend, I expected the market to move more down, but we might have some few retracements. That's why I did a 2 minutes expiry period, just to be on the safe side. So this was a very good trade because we have the major and minor trend on our side. So very strong downtrend. So you can take advantage of that. And if you get a reversal to the same area, you can use it to take your trade, because these are very strong breakout. These are very strong bearish candle. So we've won this trade because of our entry point. So I took a call option here because I saw this strong rejection on this bullish candle. So I expected the market to move more up, maybe to reverse on this upper trend line, but you can see the market again is retracing on this level, but eventually it will come to this trend line. So we did a 2 minutes expiry period because also the market condition is not good. So just to be on the safe side, analyze also the market condition for you to trade. So you can see eventually the market is coming to the upward, this upper trend line, but we have some few retracements on the way. So you need also to consider that. Check on your market and how your candles are forming so that you don't trade blindly. So you can see strong movement. So we are going to this trend line. So I think I've explained this trade, it's just the same. So here we took a trade with a 2 minute expiry period because after seeing this doji candlestick pattern here, we got a very strong bullish candle, and this forms a good reversal candlestick pattern. So you need also to analyze your candlestick patterns so that you know how to trade them. So these are morning star pattern. So I expected at least the market to move up after this pattern being formed. So I took that trade with a 2 minute expiry period. So eventually the market is breaking our upper trend line. So it's moving to this extreme area. These are very good support and resistance level. You can see it acted here. The market reversed from this level. Again, we got a rejection. When it's broken, got some rejection, some rejection, some rejection. Again, some rejections before the market continued moving more down. So it's a strong level of support and resistance. You need to consider this level, but you need to be very patient. You don't trade blindly because it's a good level. You need to analyze the market movement, because now, as much as it's a good level, you have a very strong movement by the buyers. So you don't need just to do a put option immediately. You need to analyze the market. So I think I'll stop trading from here. Keep watching the other videos in this channel for you to understand more about the strategy of support and resistance. If you are interested in our training program, you can contact me directly through the Telegram link in the description below. Keep practicing to master the strategy. You can also join our Telegram group. There's a link in the description. Till next time, see you.